Morning. Another wrinkled shirt. Another day with me and them. Where'd you go? Hey, you want a big one too? Can't get any more spoiled than that. I think part of the mission today is going to be going through all the parts. Which hood's the best hood? Which doors are the best doors? Which fenders are the best fenders? Because all the best of what I got around here, as you can see, I have lots of extra goodies. More fenders, whole front clip, inner fenders. Fuel tanks ain't no good. And I got all of these parts. Everything off of here is going on shorty. All the goodies, all the good stuff going on shorty. So as soon as I get my motivation up and going here, well, first thing we'll do is sort through some parts, see what's in the truck that could come out, go in the scrap pile, what's sticking around. And I hear some crows. They're looking for peanuts. Yep, they're here. There he is. Wait for me to bring some peanuts. Let's bring them over some. My relationship with the crows is improving. See that? They look cute, don't they? They're not. That's the neighbor's pigs that they claim don't come in my yard. They dig holes that I'm about to break an ankle in all the time. They dig in my trash. They trash my yard. I don't want them here. So I'm 99% sure all those parts are going on the truck. This door's in good shape. Other than some surface rust and a little bend in the frame over here. There's no dents, no holes in it. Pretty solid inside and out. Bottom edge is in good shape. This hood's in good shape, all except for that one little ding right there. Might be able to take that out, get this to look good. There's a couple of little dents, but not much. Nothing else you can't deal with. The hood on that one is perfect, but I don't want to take the hood off of it to put on here, because this one may get a cowl hood someday. So this one will do for now. We'll take the bends out and pop it on there and get her going. This door's in good shape. It's got a little hole, bottom edge there in the corner. Little roll over here. Nothing we can't fix. But this one's got the window that the one on that side don't have. This one's got a good window to go in there. So we're good there. Do a little work on this door, get it sorted out. I don't think I got a better one. And this fender, other than the one little ding in the front here. And we'll see what it looks like behind that frame there. Looks a little rusted. See how bad that is. See if it's something we could address or find a better one in the pile. But those are the parts I bought. I went to go pick up a bumper, and I know better. If I'm going to pick up parts, bring the trailer. Because usually if they're selling one thing, they're selling more. I went to go pick up a bumper, and I came home with all that you see here. The hood, the two doors, the fender, the bumper. Oh, and that bench seat over there. I got everything for 150 bucks. One thing you can't ever have too many of when you're working on projects is extra parts. I've got all kind of extra parts. I find them cheap, I buy them. Because what I don't use, I can fix and store or fix and sell. I'm going to start this project by, well, first getting the junk out. And then somebody put that steel plate in the bottom. That don't belong there. That needs to come out, so it's going to get a new wood bed someday. But that steel plate's got to come out, and then the bed's going to come off, so we can start working on the frame and underneath. Because I'm even going to lift the cab off of this one, fix the holes underneath, make sure all the frame is good, make sure all the brake lines are good, all the fuel lines. It ain't going to take much to lift this cab off. Sounds like a lot of work, but it's going to be worth it in the long run. I'm going to start having at it, see how far I can get pulling that steel plate out of the bed today. Start getting this bed to come off, because that's where it's got to begin. Here I go. I think the best way to see where all the welds are, start taking it apart, to wash it out. Here I go. That's a much better starting point. Now I can see what the hell I got. I'm gonna cut out all them welds and take about 90 pounds weight out of this truck. So the mission continues. Kind of like my eyeballs nowadays. I think I'll wear these. Can you see where I'm at? So I get everything plugged in, ready to start cutting. Then I notice, hey, no switch. All to no one. This is gonna take a while. Yeah, this is gonna take a while. And just like with every project, you find out what somebody else did just isn't right. Whoever welded that plate in there, welded it in there to stay. I thought it was just welded in from the top, but it ain't. It's welded in from the bottom too. So I think that plate's in there until this bed comes off. I don't know, but that's what it's looking like for now. I'm hoping that the bolts come out without having to get that plate out, because that ain't gonna be fun if they spin. There ain't nothing to hold down on the bottom. There ain't nothing to hold at the top. So I'm gonna have to see how that goes. Either way, the bed's gotta come off. So I think we're gonna make this a 2-part episode. I'm gonna call it a day for now on Sunday. I'm gonna continue this mission tomorrow, because right now all I got is me grinding a couple of welds. So tomorrow we'll pick up where I left off, and see you then.